This one's pretty stupid, not gonna lie. But we have a logical reason for doing this experiment. And that's because our trusty steed over here, the Ford Expedition, about a week ago we were going down the highway and I thought we had a flat tire. Pulled over, turns out the rear wheel was being held on by one lug nut. Let me show y'all real quick. So we pulled over and we popped all the hubcaps off, and the last wheel we checked was this one. This was the only nut slash stud that was holding the wheel on. They all snapped off. So that got me thinking, how far could you actually drive with just one lug nut holding your wheel on? So that's what we're gonna do today. We got the Freedom Civic. This thing has been through hell and back, and it's about to go even more so through hell and back. It's pretty straightforward. We're gonna see how fast and how long we can drive with one lug nut holding the wheel on. If all goes well, which not looking too likely, for the grand finale of this video, what we'll actually do is go ahead and leave just one lug nut on each wheel and just absolutely rally the bit. Yeah guys, we got a bunch of dirt. We've got a little jump over there, here out in Venezuela. First things first guys, we gotta unload this car. All right, here we go, boys.
Okay. How'd that feel?
It actually hurt way less than I expected it to. All right.
Hey, your bumper's fine, by the way.
Really?
You had some nice zip ties here. That's what helped.
All right, guys, one wheel and 3 nuts less. So we have one lug nut holding it on. Let's go. Drop a comment how long you think it's gonna last. I really don't know.
Good job, Gabe. You wearing your seatbelt.
Yeah, dude.
No one can complain.
I don't think we quite need the helmet just yet, though. I think we'll save that for the grand finale. That's what I'm thinking. All right, you ready?
Ready? Send it. Gabe, it's giving out, it's giving out! It's so crooked, it's really bad. Oh yeah. Dude, those J-turns are not helping it.
Oh,
it was collapsing really bad earlier.
Oh, dude. That's no bueno.
That's one strong lug.
Well, I'm really impressed so far, actually. I thought it would have snapped off by now. I mean, we did several J-turns and reverse donuts, even though it's the same thing. All right, time for nut number 2.
V-Tech! I didn't do as much as I thought.
All right, guys, now we have not one wheel about to fall off. We have 2 wheels about to fall off. So let's see how long they last. Guys, I'm hoping we can get this thing to limp along far enough through the rest of this video. I don't know though.
That's gonna send something through the wall.
Well, that right there's your problem. It does have a check engine light.
Oh, you're low on blinker fluid. Yeah, there's your problem.
It's full of acorns, dude.
His name is Dave.
Dave. Cue banjo music. All right, there we go.
Thanks, buddy. Well, guys, I really don't know what's gonna happen first. Either the wheels are gonna fall off or the engine blows up. I really don't know. Don't really know what's gonna happen. I mean, I kinda do, but I don't wanna think about it. And someone's got to come with me.
You're a cameraman. You gotta record it happen, right?
You're part assistant now. You got promoted.
I shall pay you in beer.
Nice.
Alright guys, here we go. All-wheel drive burnout with exactly 4 lug nuts. In 3, 2, 1. High brake, high brake.
Gabe, I don't like this. That's really bad. Did we die?
Oh
my
are we
gosh,
dead?
No, it's still running.
Oh, barely. Oh, I don't know if I want to be near that.
So bad.
Oh,
Are we good?
yeah.
All right. What should I do?
Send it.
Send it.
Send it up that hill.
Here. Fuck.
Yeah, head towards there. I don't know which one's gonna go first. Probably one of the front ones.
Or maybe the engine. I don't know.
Yeah. We've got one wobbling.
No.
Oh,
The donut failed.
Damn it.
huh. The lug nut's still in it.
What the?
The lug nut's still in it.
What?
Dude, of course the side that we're not filming comes off. Huh. Oh my god, how did that even happen? Well, I guess we could go find out. Oh!
Oh, dude, it broke.
Yeah, that'll do it. Huh.
Hot.
Woo! Yeah, that's a little toasty. Yeah, that'll do it right there. We somehow have to get this thing back on the trailer.
Put a different hole in there, Gabe. We got 3 more holes left.
Yeah, look, see, that was the good thing about doing this. You only put 1 lug nut in, so you have 3 more chances.
Let's go.
Hey, you know what Discount Tire says? If you ever don't like the tire, feel free to return it. There's something there. Oh! Whoa!
I thought that was great.
Oh,
I got you, Gabe.
I thought that
that's
was great.
unfortunate.
First, Gabe, have your permission to break this window.
You got permission, Assistant Chris.
Great, you ready? 3, 2, 1. What?
Oh!
Dude.
Dude,
That's nuts.
Honda has some indestructible glass.
Damn, glass reflected that real hard.
All right,
Only they
here,
made
I'm doing
iPhones out of this, dude.
it. Right?
Gosh dang.
I guess I go
All
like
right,
this
I'm doing it.
like.
Do I have permission to break this window?
I do. Wait, what?
Did we just get married?
Send that shit.
You missed! You broke the front window!
Oh.
Holy crap!
I'd like to point out, on the recording, I said, do I have permission to break this window?
You didn't say that
I
one.
never said which one.
You said this, not that.
That is pretty far.
Oh boy. I got negative distance. Oh.
Dude, whoa! It's doing donuts around you.
Well, the lug nut still comes off, so that makes our jobs a lot easier. However, this buried control arm does not make our lives easier.
All right, guys, so there y'all have it. That's how far you can drive with absolutely just 1 lug nut on each wheel. All right, y'all, thanks for watching this video. If you guys have any ideas of what we should try next, drop them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this, drop a dislike on this video. And special shout out to the Boosted Boys for signing our Freedom Civic hood. I think, obviously, this car's gonna get scrapped, but we're gonna keep that hood because that's memories right there. All right, see you guys later. Peace.